Hello guys, I am back again and doing another heart, and I am going for, because it's autumn, so I decided to go with bright colors, to be honest, to feel like spring. Well, not exactly spring, but I decided to go for red, scarlet red, magenta, and two of my gold, 24 karat gold DecoArt, and Pebeo Iridescent precious gold. So let's get started. I got my pillow laid there. I have popped some bubbles, but I can see a couple more, so I'm just going to pop them before start pouring my paints. So seems okay. So I'm doing swipe. So I got my tool ready as well. See how it goes. So first I'm going to put my red. It. Then I got magenta, lovely magenta here, which is a Pebeo brand. I love the effect of red and gold together. So I am using two gold here, two different brand, and the one is, this one is Pebeo Precious Iridescent Gold. It's really nice color, loving it. And then this one is 24 karat DecoArt Extreme Sheen. So that's done. Now I am going to use my cell activator. Shall I use two of them or just one? Can't decide. Let me try both. Oops, I just dropped one there. And I'm just going to put white as well. So I got two cell activator, black and white. So let's get started. So just going to start dipping, touch that bit and swipe. Like that. I'm going to use the other side there. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. And alright, I've got so much white in the middle, so I'm just going to do a little blow there. Shouldn't be doing too hard. That looks alright. Can have a close look to this. How beautiful it looks. So now I'm going to start tilting. So as usual, you know, I like collecting my pillow. So I got my bucket ready here. And what I do, I go, should I go down? Yeah. So go down first. On the sideways. And then stop. Then go. I'm going to stop here and I will try to do my sideways. I'm first going this way. Right, that's covered, just a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to stop now this way. I think that looks okay. And let's go back to this side now. Oopsie. Don't drop it, Jigna. And then go this way. To the paint. Oops! Oh, I nearly dropped it. Need to be careful. Nearly there. Just a little bit more. It's got quite a lot of paint. Alright, one thing I have noticed with the DecoArt Extreme Sheen, it breaks the cell activator, especially the black one. Doesn't look too bad, but I can actually see that. Just a tiny bit this way. Don't want too much paint on it, otherwise I'll start getting cracks on it, which I don't want. Nobody actually wants that. Okay, bring that in the middle now. See in the middle? A little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to leave it now and wait, dry, and then I'll put resin. See that, how beautiful that resin is there in my finger. So you can have a close look to this. Just this side is like a small and this side is quite big lacing. but overall it's okay. One thing about DecoArt, I don't have any problem with the Sapphire Blue DecoArt Extreme Sheen, but 24 karat gold, this is second time happen. It breaks a little bit. It's not breaking too much, but it breaks the cell activator a little bit. So if you have a close look to this, you can see there. Can't see on a black. This one is alright, so that's why you can't see on a big one. But it is what it is. So it's done, and actually like it. This is the tricky part, to put my heart there. Oops. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll give you another close look to this so you can have a close look.